Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I haven't made a video in a really long time, but today I'm doing a sophomore makeup tutorial because I'm going into my 10th year of school. Let's just get started. So I use the LA Girl Pro BB Cream. Next, as you can see, I have no eyebrows, and when I was younger I had even less eyebrows, so this is like kind of decent for me. For my eyebrows, I use the Eyeko London Fat Brow Liquid Liner. It's a pen instead of like, I don't know what there is. I just draw the bottom and then go like this and then just blend it in with my finger. Lately, I've been really into blush, but only blushes like this color. And I lose my tan, which is around like like the end of October, which is like my birthday, by the way. I'll probably change my makeup tutorial around and obviously not use a really dark foundation and blush like this. So I would use a highlighter, and this is by IBY Beauty. I'm gonna just use my fingers because this is not gonna work. Next, I have my Too Faced Natural Matte Palette, and I'm going to use Strapless all over my lid. It looks kind of nice. It's probably just me though. And then I'm going to use Heaven in my inner corner. And lastly, I just use this Mad Lash mascara. Okay, so I'm done, and I forgot to finish the look. I forgot to use a lip product, the NYX Lip Fouette and Cocoa Bean, and I just put it on my lips. Thank you for watching. This is my first back to school video. I'm planning on doing a surprise haul. What's my book bag? Get ready with me. Make sure you subscribe so you stay tuned for that, and